Halo cuy, bertemu dengan saya lagi di channel Ferry024. Apa kabar kalian? Semoga dalam keadaan baik-baik saja. Pada video kali ini saya akan merakit PC Kere Hore lagi. Yaitu saya akan merakit PC dengan budget di bawah 3 juta. Disclaimer ya, rakitan ini sebenarnya sudah saya rakit sejak 5 bulan lalu dengan budget 2,5 jutaan. Tapi karena ada kenaikan harga beberapa komponen dan saya baru sempat ngedit sekarang, jadi harga tiap komponennya nanti akan disesuaikan dengan harga pasaran sekarang. Oke, langsung ke komponen apa saja yang akan digunakan. Komponen yang pertama yaitu motherboard. Untuk motherboard saya menggunakan Mobo dari merek Asus dengan seri D520MT. Mobo ini memiliki soket prosesor LGA 1151 yang support Intel generasi 6 dan 7. Untuk slot RAM-nya, Mobo ini memiliki 2 slot RAM DDR4 yang support hingga 32 GB. Mobo ini juga memiliki 1 slot M.2, tapi hanya support M.2 SATA saja, tidak support NVMe. Untuk port displaynya, Mobo ini memiliki 3, yaitu 1 port VGA, 1 HDMI, dan 1 DisplayPort. Saya membeli Mobo ini dengan harga Rp350.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu prosesor. Untuk prosesor saya menggunakan prosesor Intel Core i5 6500. Prosesor ini memiliki 4 core dan 4 thread dengan base frekuensi 3,20 GHz dengan maksimal boost 3,60 GHz dan memiliki L3 cache sebesar 6 MB. Prosesor ini juga memiliki eGPU di dalamnya yaitu Intel HD 530. Untuk TDP-nya, prosesor ini memiliki TDP sebesar 65 Watt. Saya membeli prosesor ini dengan harga Rp450.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu HSF. Untuk HSF saya menggunakan stok cooler bawaan Intel. Saya membeli stok cooler ini dengan harga Rp25.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu RAM. Untuk RAM saya menggunakan RAM dari merek Kingston 16GB DDR4 1 keping dengan kecepatan 2666 MHz. Saya membeli RAM ini dengan harga Rp370.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu storage. Untuk storage saya menggunakan SSD M.2 SATA dari merek Sonic dengan kapasitas sebesar 256 GB. Saya membeli SSD ini dengan harga Rp250.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu GPU. Untuk GPU saya menggunakan GPU GTX 1050 dari merek Asus. GPU ini memiliki VRAM 2GB GDDR5 128-bit dan sudah support dengan DirectX 12. Untuk output displaynya, GPU ini memiliki 3, yaitu 1 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI, dan 1 DVI. Untuk TDP-nya, GPU ini memiliki TDP sebesar 75 Watt tanpa pin power tambahan. Saya membeli GPU ini dengan harga Rp750.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu power supply. Untuk PSU saya menggunakan PSU dari merek Cooler Master dengan daya 500 Watt. Saya membeli PSU ini dengan harga Rp200.000 dalam kondisi second. Saya menggunakan PSU ini karena menyesuaikan dengan stok yang ada di tempat saya. Saran saya daripada beli PSU second mending tambah 100 ribuan dapat skotep AN 400 Watt dalam kondisi baru. Masih oke lah dipakaikan VGA irit daya dan tanpa pin power. Komponen yang terakhir yaitu casing. Untuk casing saya menggunakan casing dari merek Furion Glassify. Saya membeli casing ini dengan harga Rp280.000. Dan berikut adalah seluruh komponen beserta harganya. Untuk link referensi pembeliannya ada di deskripsi video ini. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**.
Dan berikut adalah tampilan dari PC-nya. Untuk konsumsi dayanya, dalam kondisi idle, PC ini mengkonsumsi daya sekitar 30-an watt. Dan dalam kondisi full load, mengkonsumsi daya sekitar 140-an watt. Gimana menurut kalian dengan rakitan PC kali ini? Apakah dengan harga dan spek seperti ini worth it? Silahkan tuliskan pendapat kalian di kolom komentar. PC-nya dijual nggak bang? Karena rakitan PC ini sudah saya rakit sejak 5 bulan lalu, tentunya sekarang sudah laku. Tapi komponen atau rakitan PC bekas konten akan saya jual di toko orange saya. Nama tokonya FKcom. Nanti linknya saya taruh di deskripsi video ini. Atau jika ada yang mau tanya-tanya atau mau rakit PC di saya, bisa hubungi saya melalui WhatsApp ini. Untuk opsi upgrade rakitan PC kali ini, yang pertama bisa tambah storage-nya. Mau HDD atau SSD bebas, karena SSD ukuran 256GB untuk kebutuhan sekarang udah kekecilan. Yang kedua bisa upgrade CPU coolernya ke yang model tower agar suhu prosesornya lebih dingin. Yang ketiga, jika ingin gaming dengan FPS yang lebih tinggi, bisa upgrade GPU-nya ke GTX 1660 Super. Yang keempat, jika mau multitasking, prosesornya bisa upgrade ke i7 Gen 7. Dan RAM-nya bisa upgrade ke 32GB. Tapi itu semua balik lagi ke kebutuhan masing-masing. Tapi upgrade paling bener mending jual dan rakit Intel generasi 12. Mungkin cukup sekian dari saya. Mohon maaf jika ada salah kata ataupun penyampaian pada video ini. Selamat menikmati video pengetesannya. Jangan lupa tinggalkan kritik dan sarannya. Thanks for watching and see you next video di konten rakit PC Kere Hore selanjutnya.
Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake you smile until I hurt away. But I know it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade as you fade away. As you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, baby we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know you do wrong, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away.
The Emirates Stadium in all its glorious modernity, this symbol of new art.
As you fade away. As you fade away.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. Got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something
lay dead? Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play